Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax E-file not working problem step by step. Yeah, if you're trying to submit your tax return and it's not going through, it can be really frustrating. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you check a few things. So first, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the e-file process and cause it to fail. So this is always the first thing you should check. Next, review your tax return for any errors. Even a small missing field, incorrect number, or incomplete section can stop e-filing completely. TurboTax usually highlights these issues, so go through the review section carefully. After that, make sure your TurboTax software is updated to the latest version. Yeah, updates fix bugs and ensure your return meets the latest filing requirements. If you're using TurboTax online, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser. Sometimes stored data or cookies can interfere with the submission process. And also check if the IRS servers are available. During peak times, their system can be slow or temporarily down, which can prevent your return from being submitted. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix the TurboTax e-file not working issue. In most cases, these steps should help you submit your return successfully without any extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.